Hey there fellows, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to see how to check your cash app balance by phone. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will recommend you subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay, so in our previous videos we cover steps or the different ways to check your cash app balance without any inconveniences. So in today's video, as previously said, we're going to be seeing how to check your cash app balance by phone, which is actually something which is out of natural. To check your cash app balance by phone, it is very easy, but before that you need to know that this is not actually a recommended method, since there are a lot of fraudulent numbers that pose themselves as cash app representative and actually turn out to fraud, to scam and to spam users through these fraudulent numbers. So guys, when checking your cash app balance by phone, you need to exercise extreme caution in order not to fall into spams or any other cyber attack that you wouldn't like to find yourself in. So with that said, let's proceed to the steps to checking your cash app number by phone. The best and only way to check your cash app balance by phone is by calling Cash App customer support service. According to Cash App, they just have a single support service number which you can call. It is actually a toll-free number you can call for inquiries and any support you require from Cash App. So this number can be used actually to call Cash App and actually inquire for your balance, your account balance, which will actually be displayed to you or sent to you through email or text. So all you need to do is just call this number. The support representative will either read out your balance to you through the phone call or send it through text or email. That's just the only way you can check your cash app balance by phone. Be careful not to fall out on any wrong number that actually poses itself as a cash app support number. Make sure you copy this number and reach out to Cash App for your inquiry. So guys, we've come to the end of our video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and of course to support us in offering more trending content. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.